All right, so let's give you a quick background. Did the extensions, did them very long. Ended up doing a tutorial on cutting them, on how to create this particular cut, and then I allowed my hair to just do what it do, just to see how the hair would operate with my own, and ended up, let's see if we can, if there, these are the ones that I think I'm gonna redo. But if you can see this one right here, the ends, I used one of these needles. I used a dreadlock needle or interlocking needle, if that's what you want to call it, on just the end, if you can see. And then I added hair at the end, not realizing that I was not gonna like it. So I strategically, is that a better word? I just, like, by what I could see, I took some and I cut them and added new ones in so that they would have this coily appeal to the end of them and look like actually my lock. Like this one, there's quite a few of them that look really good. So and then yeah, this one looks pretty good too. It's kind of short because it's really supposed to be on the outside. But yeah, like they look coily on the ends and they look like they're supposed to be there. So yeah, I have a few more that I need to do because I've pretty much did most of my hair, but I have some in the back that are just way too long. And you can see where I'm going to need to cut and just add new ones. And then I have some underneath, like here, like I want it to sit just at the bridge of my nose, and these are too long. Oh, I love this one, so I think, but this budded look that I have from using these tools is kind of not what I'm looking for. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so I'm going to fix these. Yeah, like, see this one, like it's budded on the end, and then there's this skinny curl that I tried to create. So I'm gonna start with that one. So yes, I'm gonna cut above it. So taking that off and whatever the hell I thought I was doing with that. And I'm going to take a nice size amount. And then I'm going to release the ends a little bit. If I have any like extensions that's in there that could come out, I'll take it out just so I can make sure that this end is skinny enough. And then I'm going to take my latch hook needle, go through the strongest part of my lock. I'm going to hook the hair, close the latch, and pull one side of all of the hair through. Yeah. And you see this is about a fingertip of hair that I, above, that I'm only going to use enough of it. I'm going to braid all the way down as best I can. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap. It looks like I could use a little bit more. Cool. Take it above, pull on through, and then start to braid from there. And braid as tight as I can. all the way down. Once I get to the end, hopefully it'll curl up, but I'm going to go ahead and twist. From there, it'll have this curl to it, and then if I need to, I'll use the one and I'll go above it and kind of pull the hair up into the locks. So it has this little hook on the end of it, and it's for me to be able to grab the hair and pull it into my lock. So I'm turning and pulling up, and then I can turn and pull sideways as well too. And then it gives that curl that I'm looking for, and that's better. That's better for me. So I'm going to off camera do the rest of these. I think that one's better, is it? Yeah, that's the one I just did. So I'm going to do the rest of these off camera.